So as you guys know, Cristiano Ronaldo has made a YouTube channel, but if you look at the header, it's ass. So of course your boy Yuzo is gonna have to make a new Cristiano Ronaldo banner just because the one he has is not good, alright? So let's just go ahead and make it. Just to be clear, all the packs that I'm using in this video will be on my PayHip, which there's a link in the description to check it out. And I will be leaving a discount code somewhere in this video for 10% off your order. And don't forget to join the Discord as well and enjoy the video. We're gonna start by launching Photoshop, new file. And of course the resolution for a banner is, hold on, 2560 by 1440. YouTube banner template. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna stretch it out just so it matches the box. We're gonna cut out this bit right here. Select inverse. Gonna do black and red. We're gonna do black, of course. Gonna Control J this actually. We're gonna select this. We're gonna do inverse. Feel like that's just something that looks a bit better with a little bit of more darker color like this. Something like that. That looks pretty good.
Nice.
Now we're gonna have to grab a Cristiano Ronaldo logo and some PNG, so we're just gonna add that right now. All right, now we have something to work with. We have this, we have this, we have this. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's go from the bottom. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this, and we have this. So this one I already cut out. We're gonna find the middle right here. We're gonna place the logo in the middle, just like that. And just like that. And hopefully we can actually do something like, no. Put that in the middle. Now this might be too big or it might be perfect, but not really sure yet. Something like this would be alright. Alright, so we're gonna bring the layer opacity a bit down, just like that. Copy another one, make it even bigger. Get the opacity up on this thing. Something like this, probably. And then let's put that into one layer. Boom. Back up your, hide it. Boom. Boom. We're gonna go filter gallery. Let's see what we could do here. Something like this, maybe. Change the blending mode. Alright, anyway, let's just start on this, on the renders. I feel like we gotta place one render over here. Hold on, this gotta go onto the top. Just like this, there you go. Okay, so one render gotta go like this, right? And then one render gotta go, which render am I choosing? This render right here. Select subjects. Boom. Boom. And now let's put Ronaldo over here like this. Now let's see where the middle is, to be honest, because I don't really know. Right here. Yeah, that should be okay. Maybe Ronaldo actually gotta go the other way. So let's just, all right, there you go. Now this should be good. Now all we need to do is get these images right here, like for example this one. What the plan is that we're gonna give it a background just like that. And for example here, transform, horizontal, look, and just like that. And now you can just delete this. Put the hardness to max. Perfect. Yeah, no one's gonna notice that pixel right there. Perfect. So now we got something like this. This is something that I might go for. A look like this is probably gonna be good. Let me just give this a stroke just so I can tell. Let's give him some more exposure. Actually, this one doesn't need that much more exposure, to be fair. Contrast a bit up, highlights actually a bit down, shadows alright. Vibrance, we're gonna give him more vibrance because everybody loves a bit of vibrance, man. Alright, since you guys have made this far to the video, the code for today is Yuzo is back. It's just Yuzo is back, and you guys are actually going to get 10% off once you use this code on my PayHip, link in the description. Enjoy the rest of the video. There we go. And maybe on the backgrounds, let's see how that looks. No, okay, not on the backgrounds because that's actually gonna be too bad. So what we're gonna do for the backgrounds is camera raw filter, of course. Of course, I want to make this a black and red type of thing. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's grab a big text right here, something like this, CR7. All right, perfect, CR7. All right, now of course in the background we want to add a little bit of solid color red, and linear dodge add, boom, pass it down to 30, 23. We're gonna go to the brush tool, no, the razor tool. Gonna put the flow down to 4-ish%, 6 maybe. Oh, hardness to 0. And we're just gonna add it right on the shirt of Ronaldo. And this is actually my first time doing like a football header or banner, but it's all good. All right, now let's get to these images right here. I'm thinking a more like grayish kind of like a less vibrant stuff, like a more cold, like what do you call it, like this. Wait, no, that's the tint. Yeah, the temperature bit down, just like, oh, like that. See, this is what I'm looking for right here. And then the vibrance down, just like that. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And now saturation a bit up, but look, before we get into the, okay, now let's do a little bit of these right here. Yep, perfect. Now we're gonna do the same for this, just like that. All right, we're gonna add a bit of lighting in the back, somewhere like right here, but it's gonna be all the way in the back, just like this. And of course we're gonna be making it red. Boom, there we go. Now we're actually making some progress. This looks pretty good. Now of course, as you can see, this is not good at all, and he isn't really shouting out his like other stuff, but that's what we're gonna do. He has a Instagram, he has a Facebook, he has a Twitter, and he has a website that he wants to promote. That's what we're gonna promote in this header right here. Boom, there we go. Now we have all of these, which are the social icons that we're gonna be using for this header right here. And as you can see, they match perfectly for the laptop or PC banner thing, so this is perfect. All right, so of course we're gonna be using this right here. That looks actually pretty good. I feel like we're missing something, aren't we? Maybe something like this. Alright, I think this should be good. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's not much of a video, but I tried something. I really hope you guys did enjoy this the progress of this header right here for Ronaldo. It's not really for Ronaldo. It's not originally for Ronaldo. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.